Alright, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your voice sound like Chris Smoove in Garageband. So, let's open up Garageband, initializing. So let's wait for this to load and then start up this quickly. Okay, this is something else. Then you go to File. Oh, well, it opens New Project, Voice, Choose. I'm going to name it I Am Smooth. Okay, and you create it. Normal settings. Now what you do is you record your voice. So let's do record right now. Okay. So, ha ha, I found the spawn point. Ha. Let's play back. Ha ha, I found the spawn point. Okay, that's how it is right now. Now you click it. How I just did there. You press this little scissor-like thing, view hide the track editor. Click it. Scroll to the beginning of the track. Click right before. So this is if you want to delete all the the empty space where you don't do anything. You highlight it. You go like that. Highlight it. Press delete. Then you drag it back over. Then next you change enhanced tuning to 100, and you can mix around with the pitch. Let's go high, lower voice. I go around here. I found the spawn point. You can mix around with that. You click limit to key, it helps a lot. Ha ha, I found the spawn point. Okay, so that's pretty much like Chris Smoove. Obviously he uses a little bit different pitch. But that's it, and that's my tutorial. And I recorded this using Screen Toaster.